Hello, my darlings. Welcome. I hope everyone is doing wonderful. More religious Easter DIYs. For DIY number 1, I have this Holy Bible ceramic vase from thrift store, and I'm just covering the edges with the gold metallic folk art paint just to get a refresh look. And it's gonna be ready for your home decor for Easter or all year around. And that's it. Added greeneries on top, and that's about it for that thrift lip. Today I'm so happy that I'm a part of Christ is Risen, hosted by my darling, amazing friend Favi from Arrows DIY. If you haven't visited her channel by now, please do so. She's creating amazing, beautiful home decor. And of course, there is a huge playlist full of super talented creators today. And on top, there is a giveaway. Some of us creators are giving away our DIYs that we created today. And it's gonna be a surprise. So, if you like to enter for the giveaway, watch and comment on any video for a chance to win the DIY that it was offered in each video. So if you like my video, watch and comment, and multiply entries are allowed. You gotta live in continental US, and the giveaway closes on March 27th, and we will announce it in our community tabs. Good luck to everyone, and it's gonna be so many beautiful DIYs. And with that being said, I'm jumping into my DIY number 2. I'm gonna create a beautiful religious box. I'm using this wooden box that I got from Christmas sale, and I'm gonna remove the hinges and all the bolts out of it so I can paint it good before I decorate it. I will paint the box with Casio Waverly chalk paint. When the box is dry, I'm putting all the bolts and the handles and the hinges back to the box. Now let's the fun begin. Do you remember these beautiful tile looking stickers from Dollar Tree that I created some beautiful decorations on my previously video? So I'm putting those stickers in the middle of my box. I put one of those crosses, wooden cutout crosses from Dollar Tree, and now I'm just gonna lay out all those beautiful tile looking stickers on top of the box. at this beautiful cover of the box, how it came out. What a transformation. What do you think? Would you like to have this box in your home? You gotta let me know. I'm really loving how it came out. So I'm just going all over the crust, make sure it's all covered, and I'm just putting some other 3D stickers on the side of the box just to give that little detail of it. Adding those flower branches, adding some golden leaves. Those beautiful stickers, they're all from Dollar Tree. I am really impressed. They're beautiful. And I really love how they came out in this box. So this box you can keep as a decoration, or you can put your Bible in there, or any books, or just anything you like. So if you love this box, let me know, comment, and you might have a chance to win it. And look how beautiful it looks. I put my icon of Jesus and Mary on top, just as a decoration, you can see, and it looks beautiful. For my last DIY, I found this beautiful church at thrift store, and I'm just gonna refresh it a little bit. Added a golden folk art paint all over, just like a dust on the siding, and also I'm adding the golden paint on the roof. And I think it's gonna look beautiful. This church have a clock on it, and it worked. I put a battery on and it worked perfectly fine. I think there is some kind of music coming out, but you gotta figure it out how it works, because I saw there is a on and off switch, and I'm not sure how it works. I don't know if it's broken or not, but I just love it how it looks as a decoration. On top, I put it, of course, a wooden cutout cross, just to give a special touch detail of this beautiful church. And I'm just wiping off the golden color of the siding. And that's about it for this DIY thrift flip. I'm just gonna add some greeneries on front of the door, just a little bit, and that's it. And here is the final reveal. You gotta let me know, what do you think? Would you love to win all of those creations that I recreate today? Thrift flip, DIY it, and all that. And also that beautiful wish cross behind the church. It's gonna go for the giveaway as well. Just perfect for upcoming Easter, that we can celebrate that He is risen. I had so much fun creating all this beautiful home decor, and I'm so happy that I will be giving away all these beautiful creations for your home. And before I let you go, Favita, mi querida amiga, thank you so much for having me in this beautiful, amazing collab today. And the links from Favi's and the amazing playlist, it's in my description box. And until next time, I'm sending you lots of love, lots of music, positive energy from me to you. Bye-bye.